Hello, how are y'all today? Today we're working on some more statistics. We have geometric mean, quadratic mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, mid-range, range, standard deviation, variance, lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range, mid-hinge, and probability. Okay, we're going to work on an example here. We have geometric mean. Last time we worked on arithmetic mean. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and click now. At the end of this video, you can go ahead and subscribe. Because you know you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. And you can see other videos from me. Okay, and we can work on math. You know, time flies when you're working on math. Let's go ahead and look at this example here. So we have geometric mean. We're going to work on finding the geometric mean for 0.42, 0.52, 0.58, and 0.62. I'm gonna write this down here. So geometric mean, okay, for a data set with n terms, okay, with an amount of terms, the geometric mean is the nth root of the product of the values in that set. If our data set contains the values a sub 1, so on and so forth, to a sub n elements, then the geometric mean will be an nth root of a sub 1 multiplied by a sub 2, so on and so forth, a sub n, depending on how many values we have in the data set. Let me write this down here so you can see it. Okay, let's go ahead and go over the example now. So we're going to compute the product of the data set 0.42, 0.52, 0.58, and 0.62. Zero 0.42, 0.52, 0.58, and 0.62. These are all the values we have in the data set here. Okay, so when we calculate this, taking the product means to multiply. So we're simply going to multiply or compute All right, without even having a calculator here, we have 4 times 5 times 5 times 6. All right, you could actually do that in your head. All right, and we have decimal places, 2 on each, and then you move the decimal according to that minimum amount of times. Okay. All right, there's our numbers. We're going to take the product here. All right, which means we're going to multiply. All right, so we're going to multiply to find this geometric mean. Okay, at least the first part of it. Okay, we're going to take this answer and we're going to figure out the answer from the formula, geometric mean formula. All right, so that's our geometric mean. All right. So we use our calculator here to multiply it out, and our answer came up to be 0.07853,664. All right, we just multiply it out. Use our calculator to kind of speed it up a little bit so you know multiply. I can't stress that enough here. Okay, so after we multiply, we're then going to compute the number of terms in the data set. Okay, so this means to count the number of terms in the data set. So if we open up our brackets here and write down the numbers we have in the set, we have 0.42, 0.52, 0.58, and 0.62. And then we close our brackets. And we count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty much it. All right, that's the number of terms in the data set. Okay, so we're going to take that number, okay, and that's going to equal our n. Okay, n equals 4 at this point. So we have our n root a sub 1 times a sub 2 times a sub n, okay, depending on how many terms we have here. Remember, we have 4 terms. All right, so it's going to be the 4th root of the number we've calculated earlier, okay? 4th root of 0.07853664. All right, on this one, when you're calculating on the calculator, if you have a graphing calculator, make sure you type the math button, okay? Then you'll scroll down to where you see x root. Okay, on the x root, you're going to take the answer as x. All right, and then you automatically type it in. All right, we're going to hit enter, and there's our answer right there. All right, let's see if we can. All right, there it is right there. 0.52938. That is our geometric mean. Thank you. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe for more math. This is Swegi Math. Y'all have a great day.